Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not working on mobile. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent the app from loading. Next, completely close and restart the Roblox application. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Finally, try rebooting your entire mobile device. This clears system memory and can often fix underlying software conflicts, getting you back into your games quickly. If the initial steps don't work, let's dive into app and device settings. Clear the Roblox app's cache and data through your device settings. This removes corrupted temporary files. Make sure your Roblox app is updated to its latest version, as developers frequently release fixes. Also, verify your device's operating system is current. Lastly, confirm you have at least 1 GB of free storage space, as insufficient space can cause performance issues. Network issues can often be the culprit. Try disabling any virtual private network or proxy services you might be using, as they can interfere with Roblox's connection. Ensure the Roblox app has all necessary permissions granted in your device settings, such as access to storage or network. Experiment by switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one connection type works better. As a last resort, consider resetting your network settings. If all else fails, a fresh start might be necessary. Completely uninstall the Roblox application from your device, then download and reinstall it from your App Store. This ensures you have a clean installation without any corrupted files. If the problem still persists after reinstallation, it's time to contact Roblox support. Be sure to provide them with detailed information about your specific device model and a clear description of the issue you are experiencing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.